Pasukan anti narkotika Pakistan (ANF) membakar 18 metrik ton obat-obatan senilai 1,3 miliar dolar AS pada Rabu 24 November di pinggiran Islamabad. Dalam upacara pembakaran narkoba, Direktur Jenderal ANF, Mayor Jenderal Ghulam Shabir Narejo mengatakan, organisasinya telah menyita 184 metrik ton narkotika tahun ini.
And today in front of you it is about 18 metric tons of drug, and if in terms of the value it's about 1.3 billion US dollars. But believe me, this is money which spoils our economy. This is a black money. This causes inflation and everything. So this drug, this is not only spoiling our youth, but it is spoiling our economy as well.
Pakistan adalah saluran utama bagi obat-obatan yang mengalir keluar dari tetangga baratnya, Afghanistan, yang merupakan produsen heroin terbesar di dunia dan produsen ganja utama.
Pakistan strategically is located at a place where 84% of world's heroin is being produced in our neighboring country, and most of the time this transits through Pakistan to the international community and internally in Pakistan. If we call the narcotics, there are many type of narcotics, synthetic and organic. Organic is opium, heroin and blah blah, but nowadays there are the synthetic drugs, and normally this is called methamphetamine, ice, or you call it crystal.
Maijen Ghulam mengajak seluruh lapisan masyarakat untuk turut serta memerangi narkoba.